If you are tired of crafting cold emails for hours with little to no success, you have come to the right place. Cold emailing is a key strategy in outbound sales, offering incredible value but only when done right. But at the same time, if you are a sales rep and if you are spending your valuable time writing numerous email copies instead of directly connecting with customers, closing more deals, and driving more revenue, that's where it is time to change your approach. Writing cold emails shouldn't eat so much of your time. Hi, I'm Aditi from Sales Handy, and today I will show you how to use ChatGPT to effortlessly create effective cold emails, helping you save time and significantly improve your response rate. So let's get started. So I have created this handy exercise document for you, which is ChatGPT prompt writing exercise, and this will help you in writing ideal prompt that you can put in inside ChatGPT to get a good email copies. So let's work on this. So first of all, let's define use case. So this is for your purpose, that what is actually your use case. So I assume that I'm working in a software company as a sales rep, and my primary goal is to do outbound to generate leads. And then comes pain point. My pain point is that I'm not able to get many open and replies from the cold emails I send, even after spending hours in writing them, affecting my lead flow. And then ICP, sales rep in the SaaS industry, goals is generate more leads or book more meetings through cold emailing, and solution is cold emailing lead generation tool as a solution with advanced feature. And then you also have to mention the structure, that what exactly you want in the email, what are the number of paragraphs, what should be the length, and what should be there in the email, like intro, context, and value proposition. So these all are the few important things you should consider before you create any chat gpt prompt. And when you have answer to that, then you can start writing your prompt copy. So this is the ideal structure. So a lot of time it happens chat gpt doesn't actually gives you a structure that you want, so you have to put an example there and then it can relate to what you actually want. So this is a structure that you can put inside chat gpt. This is just for reference purpose. So once I've done this exercise, I will have answers to all these questions, and then I can start writing the prompt. So I already have written a prompt. I'll share this resource in the description. You can utilize these prompts also. So let's pick a lead generation prompt from here that I have utilized, and let's see that how it works. Now I put my prompt inside ChatGPT, and it has my ICP, it has the pain point, it has solution, and it has the structure. So let's see what ChatGPT gives us back. So now let's try to match it with the prompt that we gave. So I hope this message finds you well. As a fellow professional SaaS industry, I understand the challenges of generating quality leads and time consuming nature of manual process. So this is the intro and plus context also. So it's intro plus context, and then you can see that there's a value proposition that our tool is designed to automate your lead generation, saving your valuable time and significantly increasing your lead quality with minimal effort. And would you be open to a 15-minute call next week to explore how our tool can specifically benefit your team? So this is a perfect prompt that ChatGPT has generated, and you can see that all of the things that I put here were exactly matching. So your copies that ChatGPT will generate will be as good as your prompt. So make sure you're as detailed in the prompt as possible. So now, if I want follow-ups for this, I can ask ChatGPT to write two follow-ups for me also. So you can see it has also suggested the days the follow-up should goes on. So it's pretty good in that. And you can see that how easy it is to generate these emails with chat gpt if you have the right prompt. Instead of wasting hours, you can simply just put your prompts here, and voila, you have the perfect copies. So I will link the resource in the description box, and you can utilize it to create chat gpt copies in minutes rather than spending hours in creating and writing them. So try it out now and send the email copy that actually works for you. Thanks for watching, and see you later.